Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I've just finished making these vases on the wood lathe. I've got a small hobby wood lathe and these were made from oak block kitchen work surfaces, and these are sliced sections and I've glued them together. I made two of these this size, which I'm quite pleased about because it's all scrap wood, and then I made these two, but I've run out of wood, so I made the very bottom out of hazel, piece of hazel. You can see where it's been on the lathe, and this one has been on the lathe as well. And so what I was thinking of doing in the future, if I can get some wood, is to section it with different types of wood so you get a pattern going up, and that's my next ambition. But it's getting wood. Wood's very expensive to buy, and this was all free wood. Now I've been in the woods recently and I've picked up this bit of wood here, and I've cut it, sliced it so that the ends are reasonably parallel. I've got a chop where this small branch started to come. Now this is green wood and it's not seasoned, it's still quite wet, so I'm going to put it on the lathe and work with it as it is, and just to see how it comes on. I've not done much work on a lathe with green wood because it will tend to dry out and split, so I'm hoping it won't. So if I can get a small bowl or something out of here. Now I've cut off where the branch was coming out and I've attached the fixing, putting on the lathe, and then I've got to centre it all and take off the outer, and just show you this. That's what Jane's been making. She's been making these characters whittling with a knife. She paints them, and this one's just been varnished. But anyway, here's my small lathe down here, and this will go on here, and then say I've got to take the bark off on the lathe and make it round basically. Okay, I've now put it on the lathe. I'm in the house at the moment. I'll do it in the garden because it makes such a mess. And what I'll do now is bring this in. And try and get this centred as best I can, so it's supported both ends. That don't look too bad. Okay, I'm in the garden. It's blowing a hoolie, I think they call it out here, and I've started to spin it up to get it as round as possible. You can see by the gap here that it's not round, it's slightly oval, especially where the bark is, so I've got to take it down, get the bark off, and it's spinning it at low speed, and it's just fiddle on. You see it's taking it off very easily as it's green wood. Well, that's as much as I'm going to do today. It's blowing everywhere, it's freezing cold. I'm like this. And it's taking shape. It might be alright, this bit of wood. I don't know, it's quite coarse grain, but at least it's not, it's centre now, so speed down. Yeah, it's not bad. You can see it against this line. Still got a bit to go, but getting there. But that's it for today. So it's blowing everywhere around the garden, making a right mess. It's difficult for me to sweep it up. Well, I'm sorry to say I gave up for the day. the wind's too strong out in the garden, it's blowing in my face and it's blowing all over the garden, you know, all the sawdust. I can't do it indoors, it's too messy. My shed is used for mechanical repairs as well as doing a bit of woodwork, but it's impossible to do a lathe in the shed because the dust and oil just don't mix and it ruins anything you're doing. So I tend to do it in the garden. So that's it for the day, and this is sort of end of part 1.